What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. Before we get into anything with this video, we're going to give a word from our sponsor, my sponsor, Haley's sponsor, your sponsor. Who?
Jesus.
Jesus, thank you for the interjection, Haley. Matthew chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross. He looks up to God and he says, my God, why have you forsaken me? I picture that in like a groaning voice. He's hurting, he's in pain, he's already suffered a whole lot, and now he's hanging from a cross. Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. He did forsake his son himself in human form on the cross, and I believe that the reason why he forsook Jesus is because Jesus took all the forsaking that God had to give, and he took it all for me and for you, so that we don't have to take any of that forsaking. All we got to do is trust that he took it all for us. Thank you, Jesus, for taking that forsaking for us and sponsoring all of us in the best way we could ever be sponsored. All right, these shoes came out, I don't know when, but a long time ago. This is the Travis Scott Air Max 1 Wheat. I don't remember the colorway for these. Haven't worn these yet because... Why?
Those are for Trent.
Because these are for Trent. Trent's a month away and still probably a year away from being able to wear these. But we're going to be twinning these one day, hopefully pretty soon. Actually, these look a little small.
Have you ever put them on your foot?
No. But I got a t-shirt with these, and then I also got the shorts. And now this is like 6 months later, I think. And guess what came in the mail? Travis Scott shorts. Let's take a look at these shorts really quick. I don't think there's going to be anything like crazy with this video.
Before we started recording,
Huh?
I think your fans will think this is funny.
What?
Because I think the word jorts is funny. So hopefully everyone else does. But before we started recording, I was like, what is this? And he goes, shorts. And I was like, are they jorts? And he goes, sadly, no.
No, I said I wish.
Oh, that is what you said. I wish.
This is, feel that.
Ooh, those are cool.
Feel it.
They are like jorts.
I guess. I thought they were like nylon-y looking from the pictures, but like, what is this? Like, is that corduroy?
I think so.
Maybe? It's like really thick.
It's like rope.
Yeah, like jute.
Jute. Jort.
Huge, too.
They're like jorts.
They're short.
Oh, you're pulling a Jesse.
What? They're short?
Yeah, he likes short shorts.
Yeah.
Because it makes his legs... I don't know why he likes short shorts.
He's got some hairy legs.
He does. He likes showing them
All right,
off.
so we get... I don't know what this is. This is a dog. It's a Cactus Corporation sign and a Jack up here. Maybe that's his dog's name. Like a sun right here.
Or maybe that means like Cactus Jack.
Maybe, I don't know. But you get the same patterns that are here in the shoes, so they'll definitely match the shoes really nicely. They were made to match the shoes. And pretty cool, I guess, right?
Yeah, those are cool.
Yeah.
They're like statement shorts.
Statement. They look a little weird though, like they're flared almost,
Like they're like wide,
bell-bottom shorts.
like wide leg shorts.
Yeah. Oh, here we get a Cactus Jack here.
I don't think you want like skin tight booty shorts.
Yeah, I don't. So I'm also seeing how, though, for me, something important is pockets. So
You only get one.
I'm left-handed, so I put my wallet in my left pocket. There is no left pocket back here. But I got a right pocket. I can do it if I needed to. I could wear these. I don't see wearing them often, but I could wear them. I was a little disappointed. Like, I felt like this was going to be more like an athletic short. It's not an athletic short. This is cool. Like, that's a patch, like an actual patch.
This is like canvas.
Yeah, canvas. It's all right.
These are really cool. I really
think-
like these. What is it? Oh, that's just stitching.
So I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Let's see, would they be uncomfortable? Like, would the patch be... It might be itchy.
Yeah, potentially. All right. My reverse mocha.
Sorry.
My reverse mocha swag has not come in yet.
Sway?
Swag.
Oh.
You know what swag is?
Apparently not.
Like stuff. My reverse mocha swag hasn't come in yet. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I mean, like I said, this took like 6 months. I think it feels like 6 months. The shirt came in quick. I have this shirt, and then I think 2 shirts from this release, or maybe one of the shirts. No, this is this one. Yeah, I don't know. I got rid of some of the stuff from that release. I don't know. I may get rid of these too. If these have resale value, I don't feel myself wearing these. But now you know what they're made out of. It's just
I was wanting to know
They
if it was
do. They
ripping.
definitely go with this.
Yeah. I guess they gotta get treats and baby jorts.
That's baby Jordan.
See, I knew you'd
Right.
think the word is funny.
So this is what y'all got to comment down below. Number one, do you like the Travis Scott Air Max shorts, whatever these things are made of? Number two, do you like jorts?
That's the real question.
I love jean shorts, and I mentioned this in another video, and people actually commented about it, Haley, that I've got some older American Eagle stretch shorts or stretch jeans, and I cut them off into shorts just because it was hot, and I wanted the comfort of those jeans because those jeans are so comfortable, and man, they're even more comfortable as shorts. And
You mean jorts? Don't ever
as
call them
jorts.
shorts.
I'm sorry, they're even more comfortable as jorts, and it's like, I feel so cool in them, yet I don't.
No,
So-
you look nice in jorts. I just like making fun of the word jorts, which leads to it sounding like I'm making fun of you wearing jorts.
Right.
But
I
I'm
feel
not.
better because my 16-year-old daughter Haley complimented me on how I look in my jorts, so I feel better.
I wear jorts all the time. I love my jorts.
That's different though. You're a girl.
Girl.
You're a girl. But no, I really love those shorts. I think I'm gonna cut off. I think I have 2 pairs of black American Eagle jeans.
They're about to be jorts.
Yeah, but it's winter. We're getting into fall, so I may wait. But anyways, y'all let me know what you think about these, and also let me know what you think about jorts, because we need to be bringing jorts back.
You know what? We're actually gonna put up a poll tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern time.
Okay.
Jorts or not?
Jorts or not? That's good. That's perfect. Jorts or not? Or not? Or not? All right, we'll put these back up here for another day for me and Trent to wear in a year or so. Tell your grandma about these shorts. I don't think she's gonna care about these shorts.
Grandma.
I don't think so.
Grandma's not rocking with those jorts.
But Grandma would compliment me on these shorts. She would at least notice them and say something. She may not like them, but she'd notice them and say something.
This looks like Chinese finger cuffs.
Yeah.
I guess when you get close,
something
it
else
doesn't.
recently looked like that. You said looked like that.
It was those. It's the inside of those.
This?
Yep. I think the inside of them. Don't they have a? Oh no! I meant like the where your curve of your foot is. You just got not those. You got some new shoes recently that were around the same time that you had those.
I've been wearing.
They're
them.
11s.
I love these.
No. It's those.
This.
Up. Yeah. It was
that does.
those.
Okay, yeah,
But it's the inside
all right.
where you always tap. You go tap tap.
Yeah. All right.
And then you go.
I don't think Grandma's gonna care, but tell your grandma anyway. Smash the like button. Comment down below about the jorts, and I'll see y'all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Juice. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.